Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up the invite tracker bot in Discord. First of all, you're going to start tracking invites, and from here this bot will join your server. Going to select which server you would like, we're going to select this one, and then go to authorize. Now, after you allow all the access and verify that you're human, you're going to see it right here, and now it's part of your lobby. To customize it, go back here and then go to login. From here, you're going to log in with your Discord account and then go to authorize. Once you log in, go to the dashboard, and from here, you're going to configure the server that you allowed it to go in the first place. Now you have verification, and then you have all the settings that necessary, but the one we'll focus on is join message. Once you do that, you have the welcome, and then you have the emojis, any message configuration you would like. Choose whatever channel you would like, save the changes, and then you can test the message. Now, if we go to Discord and we go to whatever channel we would like, such as general, as you can see, boom. So whenever someone invites someone, this message will pop up. Just make sure whatever channel you have it on isn't read only. Make sure that it's allowed to be changed. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.